With curls, I always love to use a technique that you will twist the hair so it gets more defined. Hi everyone! Today I will show you how you can cut curly hair and then more focused on a beautiful shape, more definition and of course volume. So before I start the haircut, I first analyze. And what I see is that we have a disconnection here. So I would like to connect it a little bit more and also to make this less heavy. Because now it's in a point cut. And I would like to make it more in a round shape to get more volume and also more volume on the top. I prefer to cut it in damped hair and then afterwards the finishing touch in dry hair. So I can exactly see what the hair is doing and how it's falling. I use a white toothed comb to detangle the hair. I prefer to use a Hydrate Spray Conditioner during the haircut, also because then it's more damped and the hair will be more hydrated afterwards. Then I will take the next section. I will leave this underlayer, but directly I make some layers here above. The reason why I'm doing this is that we still have volume below, but directly already like layers and volume in longer hair. Connect the sides. I also would like to connect the other side. And then I will take the next section. So make sure you divide the hair here in a point shape, just below the crown. Now you can already see how the shape will transform from like a point to more a round shape, and you can see already the volume. Then I would like to start with this point. This is what I would like to cut. So during my cuttings, I'm always touching the hair to see how it falls and how the shape is transforming. So I will pull the hair to this side to have more longer layers in the front. So now I will start on the upper layer and I will take some triangle sections. So you start here above the head and then in a diagonal line you go here till behind the ear. This is the disconnection and I would like to make it more softer. So the front I will also divide in two pieces. So I just finished the haircut and now I would like to start with the hairstyling. With curls it's always really nice to use a technique that you will twist the hair so it gets more defined, and I will make it first a little bit more damped with some water. Then I will apply the Hydrate Curl Enhancer. So I work from section till section and then I will twist the hair around my finger. Because I twist it, you can see the natural texture coming back, and now I will dry it with a diffuser. I start here below in the back. As the finishing touch, I will use the Hydrate Smoothing Serum to finalize the ends. This section was a little bit straight, so I will apply some enhancing water.